Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Chime with the NerdWallet app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use a NerdWallet app to keep track of your finances, and you want to go ahead and connect your Chime account to it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the NerdWallet app, then click on the three lines on the upper left-hand corner. From here, click on Financial Info, then click on Linked Financial Institutions, and then click on Add Your First Account. Now on this page here, it's going to ask you to accept some terms. So accept those terms, then click on Continue as Guest, find the Chime institution, which is on the upper left-hand corner. And then on this page here, it's going to ask you to log into Chime. So with that, log into Chime and then select which accounts you want to go ahead and connect with the NerdWallet app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Chime with the NerdWallet app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.